welcome back to my channel. Doesn't die happy and I jealous Jabulo. Maybe it's just life, you know. I'm just happy. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for choosing to watch this specific video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are a returnee, a golden oldie, thank you so much for watching another video. I really appreciate your support. Over the years, I've kind of learned to install a wig, but I feel like I just never get it right. The only time I've had perfect installs by me was when I wasn't going anywhere at all. But when okay na event it's just always a nightmare. So I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna try and get glueless wigs from now on, because also I don't like the aftermath of installs, like the glue on your hair, the glue on your wig, the lace, having to wash the lace. I don't like that. So I just decided, you know what, because about Kelly or my wig are glueless, so I decided to get myself a glueless wig. I have two. I'm gonna do like a separate video for the other one, so I just wanted to start with this one. I've just decided, I don't want to look like this anymore. I'm tired. I want to look like a girly girl, and I want like hair, I want nails, I want lashes. I did my lashes, I tried to tint my brows, you know. Isn't this ganjalo? This is what comes in the package. As you did see, the bag is pink. We'll start with the accessories. It has wig caps, this comb, then it comes with these hair clips. This is the hair that I got. I'll show you what the hair looks like. I'm not sure if you'll see the lace. I'm not really good at these videos. I'm just trying to, you know, get into it. Yeah, so I'll just put like all the details. This is like the standard wig. It's not 14 inch. I think this is 8 if I'm not mistaken. This is the only size that they have of the hair. I don't think it's pre-plucked. It obviously comes with these adjustable straps, so I'm going to secure these straps because I just like security. I'm a hoe for security, extra security. I'm gonna have like double the trouble. I'm gonna have to color the lace, so I have this face powder and I have this lace tint. So this is slightly darker than this, so I'm just trying to figure out which one is going to work out. So I'm going to test. Okay, so against my skin I think this would be fine, because this is very light. I don't think it's gonna work, so I'm gonna go over with only one layer, because if you add too much of this, it's not gonna dry, whatever. This is what it looks like after. I'm gonna use this baby. I think it's dry now. I can just add like powder or add more if I feel like I need more. I'm very scared of cutting lace. It gives me so much anxiety. Guys, I'm getting stress. I literally don't want to fuck this up. You know what, I'm actually gonna do this in that mirror because I can't see. I can see, but like the monitor is too small and I'm a perfectionist, so I'm worried. Give me a second. I'm done cutting the lace. So the plan was to continue maybe like coloring it, but I feel like there's no need. Also with the plucking, I don't want to go too heavy with the plucking because there's not a lot of lace. Like I think the lace is up until here. I'm gonna use this defining curl custard. I need my lip gloss. So this is what the final product looks like. I am happy about this wig. Very simple, straightforward, no glue, no hair dryer, no lace melting, nothing. So I chose this wig as like my daily, you know, wig that I'm gonna be wearing from now on every single day. If you see me outside, I'll be wearing this wig. I think this is a really nice short curly everyday wig. Tinashe is pretty popular, so I don't think I'm gonna have problems with the hair. The only thing that I don't like about the wig is that the lace is incane, so if iyaphela la ngaphambili, then you know it's done. When it's done, it's done. Also, if you don't have this, I need you to run. I need you to run. This is so good. I feel so cute. I think this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment. Did you like the wig? Did you like me in the wig? Did you like the wig on me? Subscribe to my channel also. I really like how I look. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.